All right, folks, here we go again with another beautiful, gorgeous 2016 Ford Explorer Police Interceptor with 109,000 miles. Original black on black from factory, folks. This vehicle was a former SWAT team officer take home unit from the city of Orange County, California. Once again, the vehicle is original black on black from factory. Vehicle does have some scratches. Vehicle does have some door dings, as expected. Vehicle has also been fully serviced, and it is in immaculate running condition and shape and road ready to go to work or her new private home. Let me stop right here. Vehicle does have window tint from the department. That window tint is dark. I'm not gonna say it's medium, it's dark. Once again, this was a SWAT team officer vehicle, so they usually like to be private. And yeah, dark window tint on this one. When you are inside, is not bad at all. You can see clearly all around you. Okay, just so you know, vehicle doesn't have any holes whatsoever. This is going to be a 3.7 liter engine, all-wheel drive. I should have said that in the beginning of the video. I do apologize for that. Once again, this is going to be an all-wheel drive vehicle. Vehicle has been fully serviced, detailed, and she is turnkey ready to go, folks. No holes on the body whatsoever. Vehicle does have working backup sensors and backup camera. The paint looks great, very sharp, very shiny, but keep in mind it does have some door dings. Okay, you can see how good the paint looks. All-wheel drive. Folks, before I forget, I got to tell you that all four steel wheels on this vehicle are nice and gloss black. They did not need reconditioning. Vehicle doesn't have any rust. It is a California vehicle. I should have said that in the beginning. Tires were not needed on this unit. It came with great tires from the department. Those are going to be the 245/55s 18s by Goodyear Eagle RSAs. No spotlights on this unit. No spotlights whatsoever. Vehicle does have a nice set of clean and clear front headlights. Those are going to be the new LED lights, so they are nice and bright at night. No push bar, no spotlights. I don't think SWAT officers do not roll around like that. So yeah. Once again, folks, vehicle does have a couple door dings. It's got one little on the hood right here, and it's got some on the doors. They're tiny, but they are there. I'm gonna see if I do call my dent remover guy so he can come and help me out with whatever he can on this vehicle. I'm going to see if he can just come in, help me out, clean her up a little bit better. Door dings are there. You guys can see it right there. The ones that are on the crease, like right here, there's nothing we can do about those. But if we have little ones on the door panels, we can probably remove them. Aside from that, folks, the paint looks really, really, really good. Let's go inside of the vehicle here real quick. Let's start in the rear. Vehicle does have a full matching rear tire. Vehicle does have carpet interior. All four door panels are in nice shape. They're not destroyed, broken, or torn up or ripped apart. Folks, as you guys can see, the vehicle does have a new set of floor mats. This is something new that I'm trying. There are 3Ds, kind of like WeatherTech. Very nice. They are plastic. Seat belts and buckles are in place. I'm sorry. Okay, let's continue. I'm getting too excited. You guys can see that right there. Oops, sorry guys. I dirtied that for you. Nice floor mats. So you got them all around on the front of the vehicle and the back. Passenger driver's side seat is in nice, comfortable shape, not destroyed. Doesn't make any noise. No clicking, no nothing. Vehicle does have a factory OEM center console. Passenger side seat appears to be in new condition. I don't think nobody ever sat there. Honk does work. Vehicle came with one key only. Let's go ahead and fire her up. Let me go ahead and clean this up here for you guys. Da, 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 da. Everything does work. Stereo does work. Vehicle does have backup camera. It engages right here on the rear view mirror. Sensors do work. Honk does work. Vehicle does have working factory Bluetooth and cruise control. What else? Cigarette lighters do work in this vehicle. Let's go check. Oops, too late. Vehicle does have red LED, white LED. Folks, this vehicle does have the blackout feature enabled, so when you enter the vehicle, you open the door, the light, courtesy light, will come on over here. Also for the rear, little courtesy light. Let's go ahead and go to the trunk, open the hood. Let me see what else. Vehicle does have 109,000 miles, folks. 109,000 miles on this one. Let's go ahead. If I do forget something, I will make sure I say it in my eBay description. Many times I will forget little details here and there. This is the back. Okay, little pocket there, pocket here. Folks, there was no spare tire with the vehicle, but don't worry, I do have those in my storage. So I do have full steel wheels and full matching spare tires on standby. So I will throw one in here on Monday, and I will update my ad once it's done. Okay, so you guys can see. Very solid tailgate on this one. Let's continue. We're gonna go into the hood, show you what was done. Damn mosquitoes all over the place. Hello summer, 100 degrees here in sunny California. Paint looks great, folks. My detail crew did an amazing job cleaning her up and bringing her back to life. Before I forget, now that I'm here, I gotta tell you that the vehicle does have drill, vented, slotted front and rear rotors all around, along with new brakes for the front and rear on this unit. Did that make any sense? No, it didn't, huh? Wow. Damn it, Mario. Alright, folks, the vehicle does have a new set of drill slotted vented rotors all around, along with new brake pads all around. Okay, that came from the department. I didn't do it. That was done by the department. Pretty bright LED lights, HID lights. Okay, one hand here. Give me a sec. Alright, this is the engine, folks. So you guys can see my detail crew cleaned her up really well. Their prices went up. So as much as I don't like that, I have to pay the price. I have no choice. I love their job, their work, quality work, so I'm very happy with them, so I am going to pay the price. Alright, here we go, starting right to left. Vehicle does have a brand new group size 65 AC Delco battery, brand new air filter, throttle body with service and clean out. Vehicle does have six brand new Motorcraft Platinum OEM spark plugs, full synthetic 520 oil service was done. Transmission was also serviced. This is going to be a drain and fill, and Motorcraft LB transmission fluid was used. Vehicle also does have a brand new Motorcraft cabin filter that's inside the cabin behind the glove box. Coolant levels, window washers, it's on the full. Drive belt and tensioner are in good condition, so I didn't have to replace that. Tires were great all around, so I didn't have to replace any tires. Once again, vehicle does have brand new brakes and rotors all around. Those are going to be performance rotors, drill slotted. Once again, suspension is nice and tight. No funny noises whatsoever on the vehicle. No funny clicks. No funny clunks. Okay, solid, very quiet. Once again, this was a SWAT officer vehicle, and they're not out there beating up the street patrolling. So they just go to whatever they need to do. see, am I forgetting anything? I don't think so. Once again, folks, if I forget something, I'm gonna mention it on my eBay ad. And there you go. If you guys see something you like, please do not hesitate to give me a call. Let's see if we can come to an agreement. All right, I'm always trying to help my customers. If I can help you, I will. Okay. If not, maybe next time. One last final look. Everything does work on the vehicle. Safety check was done. Smog was done. Folks, she is real ready to go. All right, folks, this is the Crown Victoria guy signing off, also known as Solga Police Cruisers. One last final look. This is going to be a 2016 Ford Explorer Police Interceptor 3.70 all-wheel drive engine with 109,000 miles. Former Orange County SWAT team officer take-home car. Here she is, folks. Road ready. All right, folks, thanks for watching. You guys have a blessed weekend out there. Please take care. See you guys around. Thank you.